Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. And today it's all about pasta. And this episode starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode. As I mentioned, today we're going to do a little twist on baked ziti. You're going to love it. I have the ingredients behind me. Let's go check them out. Here are the ingredients for my take on baked ziti. Today we are going to be using a teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper. I have half of a beautiful roasted red pepper. I have some cilantro for garnish. I have a quarter of a yellow onion chopped up. I have a heaping tablespoon of AP flour, all-purpose flour, tablespoon of butter. We're going to be using mozzarella cheese, some ziti, and today, guys, we're going to make it with Alfredo sauce. It's going to be our white ziti. And the biggest twist of all is we're going to use sausage, your favorite Italian sausage. And let's get cooking. Okay, guys, I'm back and we are at the stove. As I said, one of my sausages, you use your favorite sausage. I mean, this is really kind of odd. That's why I love it so much. This is my take on it. I wanted to save one to show you. I'm sure you all know, but make sure you slice thin going across. Use a very sharp knife and very, very lightly slice it. And look at that, guys. Look at how all the casing comes right off. Check that out. Pretty cool. Hey, guys, I'm back. So now I also have on my stove my Dutch pot with water that we're bringing it to a boil. You can put a tablespoon of salt. Always remember, you guys, when you're cooking pasta, you need to salt your water. Otherwise, it's going to be hard for that seasoning to stick to your pasta, like salt, for example. So I always salt my water, bring it to a boil. Normally, pasta, you never cook it more than 9 minutes. That's if you like it al dente, how it's supposed to be eaten. It all depends. If you like it mushy, or I'm assuming you don't. I don't. So I like it al dente. So as opposed to cooking it for 9 minutes, I'm going to cook it for 6. And that way, those 3 minutes, the rest of it will cook in the oven. When we put our ziti in the oven with, oh, and I forgot, we're also using a small bag of mixed vegetables, which I'll show you as soon as I finish doing this. Let me show you. Look at my small pot, you guys. We've got fat in our pork. I know this is small, but that's okay. We're going to saute it like a sauce. I'm going to grab about, for our onions, maybe like a tablespoon and a quarter of VO juice, vegetable oil. Now, the first thing we're going to do is, this is already warm. We'll put our onions. Ooh, hear that? You know what else I forgot, you guys? Silly me. Garlic. I'm going to grab some garlic. Stir that up. Yum, yum, yum. So now we're going to put our salt and pepper. Let me put this up. I love interacting with you guys. Salt and pepper. We are going to put our garlic powder and onion powder, guys. Man, it smells so good in here. It smells so good already, you guys. Go in the oven to be nice and thick and gooey. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey, guys, I'm back. Our sausage is almost fully cooked. Nothing to sear or brown or anything. Just cooked it with our onions. Now I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter. Start smelling that yummy nuttiness. I love it. Unsalted sweet cream butter, guys. Okay, and now I'm going to grab my whisk. Get one of my bottles ready of my Alfredo. Actually, both of them. I make homemade Alfredo sometimes, but sometimes we don't have time for that. And there's so many varieties that you can use. All right. Ooh. Pour our heaping tablespoon of flour, guys. And we are making a roux, which you guys already know. So, all right, so we have all the yumminess from the sausage at the bottom. And what I'd like to do is we're going to thicken our bottled Alfredo sauce. Since we're making baked ziti, it's going to be nice and thick and gooey. Oh my God. Now I'm going to pour some of my Alfredo sauce. Be careful. It's going to be loud. I'm going to stir it. So it's much thicker. See how much thicker it is? So I'm going to drain my pasta. I'm going to come back. We're going to assemble our beautiful dish to put in the oven. This is quick, and you guys, you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I drained my ziti pasta. Look at this. They look like little tubes. And sometimes you might feel them like a little stuck together. You can take them apart. I put them in my pan. Look at my beautiful little dish for the oven. Wow. I love it, love it, love it. I love buying, I buy all my stuff at Walmart. I love all these beautiful ceramic dishes. Oh, and also, by the way, I also sprayed it with canola oil because you guys already know that for me, everything sticks. So, use my Great Valley canola oil, and we have, now I'm going to put the sauce in last. So I'm going to assemble this now. I'm going to put in the sausage first. Oh my God, this is yum, you got those in there. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my God. One of the most important ingredients. So beautiful. This goes so good with the sausage. And it's such an odd combination with the Alfredo sauce. But you guys, this rocks, you guys. Oh my God, this is so easy and so good to make. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. And this is looking so good. I just took it out of the oven. If you see any little pieces of ziti hanging out on the side, just grab your little spoon and dig it in. I mean, it's not perfect. It's not going to come out, say like a lasagna, and like a square piece like a lasagna, because there's no real binder to it, only the Alfredo sauce. So that's not what we're expecting. Let me show you. Now I'm going to lower my camera real quick. All right. See that? Oh my God, this is very hot. These ceramic pans are so hot. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Wow. Now I'm going to take my delicious mozzarella cheese. Oh, open our mozzarella cheese. Guys, I love cheese. You can put as little or as much as you like. We're going to put our baked ziti. I'm going to put it back in the oven. And I'm going to crank my heat up to 425. No, 425. 425 for about 5-10 minutes. That cheese will be, the cheese will be oozing, and it'll be gooey, and it'll be brown on top. Oh my God. Then I'm gonna garnish it with my delicious little cilantro, my fresh garnish. We're gonna taste, and you guys, you don't want to miss this easy, delicious dinner. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. Our baked sausage white ziti is out of the oven. You can use, if you don't want to eat bread on the side, that's fine. You don't have to. I always make these beautiful little Olive Garden style garlic sticks. Yum. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes. And then I'll scoop it out. I'll serve myself a plate. And we're going to taste. And you don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I always get so excited because we are ready to taste. Look at this. Check that out. Look how beautiful that looks. Wow. I absolutely love the way it smells. Oh my God. Let's take a taste. Oh my God, my mouth is so watery all the time. Got some sausage, vegetables, cilantro. Okay guys, it's hot, so hang on a second. I'm trying here. All right, here we go. Here's our bite. Some sausage in there, cilantro. I have to hold it like this because it's hot. Scared. Here goes nothing. That is so good. Guys, we have the hardiness of the sausage, and then that creaminess comes in of that beautiful Alfredo sauce with that fresh cilantro and that perfectly al dente ziti pasta. This is so easy to make and so delicious. Let me double check though. I'll try it again just to make sure. Oh. Guys, fresh herbs on a finished dish is so delicious. So amazing how you take a bite of all that hardness and the creaminess, and then that cilantro just pops in your mouth. Wow, that's why I love fresh herbs so much on my dishes. So remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment, and if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if not, feel free to subscribe, but don't forget the bell. That way you don't miss any episodes. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back, and I will see you then. Take great care. Bye.